Tired of your GPU sounding like a jet engine or worried about it overheating during intense gaming sessions? Let's dive into controlling your GPU fan speed, empowering you to optimize cooling and unleash your graphics card's full potential. First things first, locate the Nvidia Control Panel icon. It's usually found in your system tray, on your desktop, or accessible through the Windows search bar. Go ahead and launch it now. Within the Nvidia Control Panel, the exact location of the fan control settings isn't always obvious, as Nvidia's interface can vary slightly. Begin by exploring the available tabs and options. Since we are not going to modify the video settings that is already set up, we need to find a different tab related to hardware. Start by navigating the tabs to identify the options about 3D settings. If you are looking at Nvidia Control Panel, make sure you are in the Manage 3D Settings option, and look for a tab that is not related to modifying the image quality and resolution of your video. Be sure to make sure you have selected the card to be changed. Unfortunately, the Nvidia Control Panel lacks a direct fan speed adjustment feature. Don't worry, this is not the end. As a result, you'll need a third-party software to get the job done. A popular and effective tool is MSI Afterburner, which offers advanced fan control capabilities. You can typically download it from Afterburner's website. Inside MSI Afterburner, you'll find a section dedicated to fan control. Typically, by clicking the settings option, then selecting fan within the settings here, you can create a custom fan curve. This involves mapping fan speed to temperature. By increasing the fan speed as your GPU heats up, you can keep your GPU cooler. A perfect fan curve will keep your GPU cool without being too loud. Simply adjust the points on the graph to get started. Move each point on the graph to increase fan activity, certain tone, or move a point to the bottom left to decrease fan speed. The higher the fan speed percentage, the harder the fans have to work. Tweak these settings until you find the perfect balance of cooling and noise that works best for you. Now, monitor your GPU temperatures while gaming or running demanding tasks. By carefully adjusting your fan curve, you can keep your graphics card running smoothly and optimize its overall performance. Congratulations, you have now successfully tailored the cooling strategy of your GPU.